off safety.
Yeah, take it off safety. Your right index finger, if you extend it and push the button, there you go. If it's easier, you don't have to use your left arm at all.
Are all of them?
Yeah.
Hang on.
I think there's one more, huh? Oh, I thought there was. Maybe not.
Got it. Yeah, buddy.
I could shoot. I was coming out.
Did you shoot the target?
Huh? Yeah, I shot the target twice.
Go see where you shot it.